Good morning, teacher. I have a question. What is SBMA stands for?
Hi, good morning. How are you? SBMAE stands for School-Based Monitoring, Assessment, and Evaluation.
Can you define SBMAE in your own words and understanding?
All right. So, to answer your question, school-based monitoring, assessment, and evaluation involve continuously tracking students' progress, teaching effectiveness, and school performance by observing classroom activities, assessing students' knowledge and skills through various methods, and also analyzing collected data to improve teaching strategies, curriculum, and overall educational outcomes. All right?
Based on your experience, how has SBMAE influenced the improvements and operation of your school?
Mm, Based on my experience, school-based monitoring, assessment, and evaluation play a vital role in enhancing student learning and school operations by helping teachers identify struggling students early, providing insights for improving teaching methods, and enabling the school to assess the effectiveness of programs and policies, and also fostering collaboration among educators, administrators, and students to create a more supportive and goal-driven learning environment based on my experience.
May I ask this question? What are your expectations from this course, SBMAE, and how could it be helpful to you in your professional development?
Expectation, I eagerly anticipate this course as an opportunity to gain valuable knowledge and practical strategies in monitoring, assessment, and evaluation, which will enhance students' achievement and refine teaching practices, broaden my perspective through shared experiences, and ultimately equip me with the necessary skills to make informed decisions and foster a more effective and supportive learning environment.